cringe. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another vlog install video on the Honda. So this is the same day as the video you probably watched last week or a couple of days ago, whenever I posted it. The gear shifter, as I was saying to you, I have to reach my arms fully out to change gear. So I got a little adapter off eBay, 20 quid, like it's a K-tune replica. It's nothing special, it's just literally to make it easier for me to drive. Let me show you it now. So this should, we should unscrew this. This should go on here like that, and then that should bring it, so I don't know if you can see it at the moment. That should go on there like that, and bring it closer towards me. So I'm going to put the camera down and we'll get into it. Right, okay, so well, first things first, I've got to remove the existing one. Let's unscrew it. Oh, that's bigger than that. Oh, okay. So I think this comes off of here. So this is a big thread, and I think this screws over the top of the small one where we're going to screw this to. So this should, in theory, sit like that and brings it closer to me. So we're gonna, let me wrap something around this to undo it now, and then we'll get going. Right, so we finally got this off, which is, I'm guessing, the adapter for that gear, for the old gear shifter. That's nice and tight. So then what happens is, this slides on there like that, and then you do up the 3 Allen keys that go in there. Right, next thing is we've got to get this onto the existing bar. So I think it just screws on like so. Where do you reckon we should have it? What do you reckon, about there? Perfect height for me. Right there. Let's try it there. We can always move it later, it's fully adjustable. So that's it there. So that, for me, now the only problem with that I've noticed is the throw. Feels, where you've gone higher, the throw, it's got a short shift on it for sure, but now it feels like I'm forever going in gear. So let's go for a drive and see what happens. I'm not too sure if I like it, initial impressions, because the throw is so long. Where we've gone so high, to get into gear, it feels like I'm having to travel about 2 years. Don't get me wrong, it's the perfect height for me to change gear, but it just, you know, like, I don't know, actually. Let's go for a little proper drive and then we can have a feel. VTEC, yo! Joking. Everyone's gonna cringe. Nah, actually, it's alright. This needs to, oh no, it's moved. No! Quick, pull over. So this has come loose. Now I think that, okay, I think it's my doing. I think that was user error. I didn't do the bolts up tight enough. Right, that's a, hopefully it doesn't come loose again. I didn't actually drive it on the review video. I should have done, really, so you can hear it. So this is just the standard exhausters on it with a sports cat. For those of you who don't know, a sports cat, it allows high flow, but it's still legal. Yay. can't see much. It for a 20 quid. It just makes, because before I was nearly popping my arm out of socket just to reach to change gear. Now this is a lot better for me. I don't know whether I'm going to keep it permanently, but for now it will do the job nicely. Another thing about this car is the road noise you can hear. Don't get me wrong, I know it's completely stripped and that's the noise you expect, but I need a sound system in here. But like, don't get me wrong, I can hear the exhaust and it's nice, but when you're on the motorway or you're just cruising to a location, not that you can cruise in this because you always want to redline it, but when you're cruising you can hear too much road noise and that kind of gets on my nerves. So I think I'm going to mat it out just to get rid of some of that, the wheel, especially the rear wheels. You can hear the wheels going round and that's no good. I want to get rid of that. So I think it's a bit of Dynamat or soundproofing, something along those lines. I'm going to need it anyway if I put a sub in, because listen, every single one of my cars has had a sub. I don't care, the haters can hate. I've had a sub in every car I've owned, so it's going in this one. Alright guys, we're back. So for 20 quid you can't go wrong. It's doing everything I want it to do. It drives alright. I've got to get used to the fact that it's longer now. Where you've gone high, it feels like it's longer to get in gear. It's still going in gear fine. It went a little bit loose, but that was my fault. So I'm going to wrap up the video here. Just something small for you guys. I'm going to try to do one video a week. But listen guys, I need to know what you guys think I should do to this car. The turbo and forge is happening. Anyone recommend a turbo for it or a turbo kit or anyone to do it? I need a roll cage. I want a roll cage. So you know anyone who wants to do a roll cage, I want to do that as well. So get at me. Let me know what you guys think. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you later. Bye.